like.
Okay. Thanks, Mario. Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing a new series. We're gonna be finding the rarest animals on this world. Today we're gonna be finding Donkey Kong. So we gotta go find them in the jungle and crap. So let's go. Ow. Okay, let's go. And here we have a rare Donkey Kong stump. A stump. Oh, and look, there's the Donkey Kong in his, I guess, natural habitat. I haven't done much research. He looks kind of angry. If we can see here, we're going to be zooming in on the Donkey Kong. He's smelling the stump. That usually means there's a mating season coming soon. And he's scratching it for something. I really don't know what he's doing. But some say he got his tie from, I don't know where he got his tie, honestly. He probably around the store. But, oh, let me see. Oh, look. Oh, no. I think he sees us. That might not be good. Try to get a good zoom in. Oh, Mario. Okay, so we just got attacked by Donkey Kong. It was not a good situation. In the slide, it was scary. Like I could have got beaten up. Like guys, my life was in jeopardy. Like it was scary. But we really still don't know. We can't find them after that.
Wait, Luigi.
Yeah.
Look over there.
So as you can see, there's a Donkey Kong right there. That is like one of a kind Donkey Kong, super rare. And we found them just in the jungle. So let's I don't know. Should we go approach it, Mario?
I don't know. He was kind of hostile last time. He might just be resting for now.
Okay. Well, maybe should we move on to the next guy?
Let's see what he does next.
Okay. And as you can see, this is the Donkey Kong footage with him walking in the jungle. We're very far away, so sorry if you don't have a good shot. But so the mating season for Donkey Kong tend to last like maybe 2 to 3 weeks, and yeah, so there's not much other information. They love bananas. Like if you have a banana, like oh, did he just die? Mario, let's run. Mario, go. Is the natural habitat of the wild chain chomp. I really don't know what kind of species this is. Like I think he's resting right now, but what seriously, what is that? That's literally a metal ball on a chain. Like Mario, what is that, Mario?
I don't know. It's a metal dog ball chain thing.
Oh.
Chomps.
Okay.
On a chain.
But if you see here, it's very, I don't know. I think this one might be a stupid one. Mario, I think this one's a defective one. Should we move on, Mario?
I don't think animals can be defective, Luigi.
What? Of course they can, Mario. Oh my God, it's moving. Mario, I'm scared. Mario, please. Mario, can you hold my hand, please?
No. I'm filming.
Mr. Chain Shop. Mario, are you getting this? Mario, ow! Mario!
Yeah, I'm getting it. Do you
Mario,
want me to help you?
Mario, please! Ow! Mario's biting the rash! Mario! Get him, Mario!
Okay, alright, I'm coming.
Thanks, Mario. Okay, it should be recording. Okay, so I finally recovered after the, chain chomp bites. I'm never doing that again. That was the worst decision I ever did. But at least we got it on camera though, so hopefully we get a lot of views. Anyway, so today we're gonna be doing what you came here for. The wild Waluigi. And I'm pretty sure this is his habitat. I mean, he's pretty poor. I mean, usually he just breaks into our house, which is freaking annoying, but okay, let's just go see him. The Waluigi. I think he's native to outside because he's pretty poor. And I think his diet mostly consists of cheetahs, any animal he can really get because he's poor.
Hey, Luigi?
Yeah, Mario?
Is he okay? He's just kind of sitting there.
Okay, let's go.
You just
Mario,
I hope he's asleep. He's not. Here, go.
Luigi. Mario, he's just probably taking a nap, right? Right? Mario? He's taking a nap, right? Oh my god, he got stung by bees a lot. Wow. That's pretty, that's not good. Luigi, what are you doing here? You freaking piece of crap! Wait! Stay down, Luigi! Mario, should we run? I just kind of beat up Waluigi on accident.
Okay, maybe we shouldn't upload this,
Yeah,
Luigi.
this is-
Let's just never talk of this and just,
I mean, this is...
He'll be fine.
I'm gonna sue you, you piece of crap. Where you are? I was just trying to get groceries, you piece of crap. I was just trying to eat some squirrels and bugs and rats. Piece of crap.
Okay, yeah, let's go, Luigi. This is getting scary.
I'm scared about you. Okay, guys. Well, that didn't really go as planned, but you know, I don't know. I think it was kind of successful. I mean, just a little bit. What was Mario? Did you see Mario? What the frick? What was that, Mario? Mario, we need to go. Come on, Mario. We're getting Waluigi rain. Let's go. Come on.